Good morning, everyone. Dear students, in today's session, we are going to discuss chapter 12 for ninth graders. And chapter name is More on Excel. In last video, we have discussed about Excel sheet also. So today we are going with next part. First one is first topic, that is renaming a worksheet. How to rename a worksheet. For renaming a worksheet, by default names are given like sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. This is also one mark question. What are the default name of worksheet? And the default name of worksheet is sheet 1, 2 and 3. You might very well want to rename any worksheet. It is very easy. You can do it. Just right click the tab of sheet you want to rename and type the name and click rename option. And since the current tab is selected, just type the name. I'll show you practically also today. You will be more understand. Like this is my worksheet. I want to change the sheet name of sheet. I bring my cursor on the sheet particular option. Sheet 1 I bring. Now I am pressing right click of my mouse. Now rename option is there. I'll select rename and I'll type my worksheet name. Like I am writing here students list. It is a procedure to rename a particular worksheet. Now next topic is your insert a new worksheet. How to insert a new worksheet? For insertion of a new worksheet, it is very easy. Just follow the steps. Right click to the sheet of the to the right where you want to insert and click the insert in the insert dialog box and press OK button. Like I'll show you practically this also. Here plus symbol is there. Just click on plus option. Automatically it will be inserted. Second option, just bring your cursor here. Right click. Then it will ask for insert. You will click on insert. And it will ask for worksheet. You can insert from here also. A new worksheet is inserted. So better option is there. Just click on plus button. It will auto insert the next worksheet. Now next part is here. How to move or copy a worksheet. If you want to move or copy a worksheet, what is difference between move and copy? The major question it is, move will move the worksheet from one position to another. It means the same worksheet will not be available on the previous position. But in case of copy, it will be available on both position. It will be available on previous position also, and it will be available on new position also. So if you want to move or copy a sheet either within existing workbook or to open another workbook or sheet, just right click the relevant sheet and select move or copy. You will see a dialog box will be appear and just select the sheet which you want to move. I'll show you practically this part also. Like I want to copy this worksheet. I want to move or copy this worksheet. Just I brought here. I press this button. Otherwise, bring your cursor here. Which list you want to copy? Directly, it will ask for rename, delete, move or copy. Move or copy option is there. You will click on move option. Now it will ask for which sheet. Move selected sheet. Which sheet you want to move? Student list. Okay. Afterward, where you want to paste? Here I will paste here. So I'll press this one. I'll click on sheet 3. Afterward, I can insert here or I can paste here. Basically, for moving, it will move from first position. See now, if I'll select this worksheet, move and copy option is there. We have selected. Afterward, move to end. And I have created a copy. I'll create a copy. Okay. Now, what happened? See now, same data is available in both worksheet. It is copy. If I want to move, just select move or copy option. Understood? Now next part. Switch between worksheet. How to switch between worksheet? To move through sheets in Excel using the keyboard, simply the shortcut key is Ctrl plus page up or page down. Like these worksheets are available. I want to switch, I'll press only Control plus page up or down. See now, it is moving on next worksheet automatically. With page up, page down, it is moving on next worksheet, and with page up, it is moving back. Next option, views in Excel sheet. In Excel sheet, basically by default three types of views are available. In Excel, you can change a number of predefined views or create your own views also. But let us to discuss in the built-in views that are available. By default, if you want to open the view, just click on the view tab and click on view option. You will get normal, page layout, page break view, custom or full screen view. How you will perform? I'll show you now only. Just click on view option. In view option, all types of views are available like normal it is page break, it is page layout, and it is custom view. So these are different type of views. By default, the view is normal view. One more thing, more views are there: slide sorter view, slide show view. These three are available here. It is normal, it is your second view, page layout, and third view is also available, that is page break preview. You can view from here also. It depends upon the user. Either he want to do it from tabs or either he want to do it from at down window. Now what is normal view? That is by default visible. It displays the content in a normal view, and it is usually view the content that you are creating on your worksheet. And what is page layout view? It displays the content as it would appear on the page, how it will be displayed if you want to print it. And page break preview, it displays the content as it would appear over several pages. The blue line can be dragged to reduce the print size. Like I'll show you once, you will more understand. Like here. Now blue line is there, you can divide the content in more or less pages also. Just rotate the blue line. Like I have rotated. Now this is divided. Only this part will be visible, that is in a blue line on one page. Next is full screen view. It displays only the worksheet. No formula bar, no ribbon or status bar are visible. It is full screen view. This allows you to maximize the amount of content you can see in your worksheet. Generally what happens, if you are looking at general content, your ruler bar, everything is visible. But when you are getting selected full screen view, what will happen now? See, click on view, and in that full screen view option is I think it is not there, it is somewhere else. Let me do from here, full screen. It is not available in Office 10 Excel sheet. It will be somewhere else. I'll discuss later on this part. Next is, you can also increase or resize the size of window. Like zoom option is there. You can zoom from right corner of your window. Here, like size is 280, you can increase it like this also. You can decrease this also. Second option, you can directly click on percentage. It will ask for how much percentage you want to display, 200, 100, 250, and like this. And the maximum size for percentage is, it is 400. And third one, you can do it from slider bar also. You can move the slider left, right, both side. For left, it is reducing the size. For right, it can increase the size. Next part, splitting a window. Window can be splitted also. Window can be divided in two parts also. For that, just click on view option and select split option. Now it is splitted. it is downward part, it is upward part. It is dividing the window in multiple parts. And when we press again split, it will become again similar. To split a worksheet into two horizontal panes, you can drag split bar option down until the window divide as you want to do it. It splits the window in two vertical parts. Next is formulas and functions. Generally, Excel sheet is used for formulas and functions. It's the most important part. What makes Excel so powerful and maybe even exciting? It's the ability to bring something to the worksheet and was not there before. Taking a column of sales figure or finding their average, determining the highest score automatically, it's really available in Excel sheet. You can easily find out calculation with the help of formulas, and formulas, some are user defined, some are built-in calculations that are called functions. Like we'll discuss now. Suppose I want to calculate. For calculation of formula, we will use the equal to sign. It is most important thing. If anybody asks you how to start writing the formula, the answer is with the help of equal to sign we can write the formula. Like I'll show you one example. Suppose I want to add these four values. What I'll do? I'll click here and in home option I have the built-in formula that is auto sum. I'll click here. It will calculate the sum of all this. I'll select this and press enter. Automatically sum of all four values is completed. It is auto sum formula that is available in Excel sheet. Like I want to do other calculation, like I show you once. Suppose I want to calculate equal to 85 plus 174 and I'll press enter. The value will be there only. This is also a formula. Auto sum was the function, it was built in. Everything that is present built in, it is a function. Whatever I am writing, it is a formula. Next thing now. Order of operation. How calculation will be performed. So for that we have a hierarchy. Operation formula, colon, single space, negation, percentage, exponential, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, connect to string of text, comparison, less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. These all are the symbols. And generally a question can be put up, which symbol is used for not equal to operator? And the answer is, for not equal to operator we will use this symbol. Or otherwise we can ask, which operator is for AND operation? Connect to string. It is the answer of AND operation. Now next thing is add, subtract, multiply and divide by using the formulas. How we will do? Let's do with the help of examples. We'll move to Excel sheet again. Suppose I want to multiply value 10 and 5. I'll write equal to 10 star 5. I'll press enter. Result is here. I want to divide 10 divide by 5. Then I write equal to 10 divide by 5. Answer will be here. These are the multiply, divide. Now addition 25 equal to 25 plus 35. Press enter. This is addition. And this is, now we are doing subtraction, equal to 36 minus 25. While I press enter, result is 11. These are the addition, subtraction, multiply and divide. Now understand error values. What this hash symbol presents? It means the column is not wide enough to display the content. Sometimes it happens, value is larger and column size is small. So the value will be like this type only. And hash reference, it represents a call reference is not valid. You have not selected a proper cell. Cell may have been deleted or pasted over. Or equal to hash name, you may have misspelled a function name. You have written a wrong function name. This is your name. We will discuss all these things in next part now. Range and individual cell. What is range? What is individual cell? As you started write Excel formulas, you might realize you want to use a range of cells. You can use a range of cells. Recently I have done auto sum operation. Now suppose I want to do the operation. I want to do addition of all these values. How I'll do? I have a predefined function. I'll write equal to sum. Now I'll write the range from where I'll start calculation of sum. This column name is D and this row name is 4. I'll write D4. Then I'll put colon. Afterward, till where I have to add. I have to add till 87. Column name is D and row name is 7. Afterward, now see it gets selected that portion, that part. Afterward, I'll close the bracket and press enter. Value is calculated. Now value is calculated here. When I bring cursor here, see now. In formula bar, formula will be displayed, while in this section, values will be displayed like this. See now, here 355 is visible, but where formula is visible. Now how to copy a formula? You can copy a formula by using any of the method. Like I am writing here values 85, 89, 98 and I want to add the values. How I'll do? Let me to write values once. I have written these values. Now I am doing addition of all these three values. How I will write the formula? I'll start writing equal to, then the formula name is, function name is sum. Afterward I'll write bracket. Now I'll write the first value where it is. It is on D4. And till here I have to calculate sum. I have to calculate till this value. And the name is equal to sum D4 and the last column name is, that is F4. I'll write D4 colon F4. I'll press enter. Now see the result is here. Now if I want to copy the same formula for all values, what I'll do? I have many options. One option, I can bring on the cursor of right bottom corner, plus symbol will be there. I'll drag it and drop it till here I want to calculate. Second option, I can bring here cursor and I'll press double click. On double click it will be get calculated. It depends upon the user which option user want to use. We can use double click also. We can use drag and drop option also. I hope things are clear today. Next is referencing cell in a formula. How to do the referencing? Referencing means to say by calculation of two values. Like I'll show you one example. Suppose I want to multiply this value with this value. It means I want to do multiplication of these values. I'll write here equal to, then first value name is, it is D4, then multiply by symbol, then E2. The value, formula is not completed, equal to D4 multiply by E4 it is, not E2, E4. It will be calculated now. Now suppose I want to apply for all the same. I'll press this operation. Now one more thing. Suppose I want to keep this value fixed, but this value should be changed. What I'll do in that case? I'll write equal to D4 multiply by E4. It is same, but because I want to fix the value of D4 for each calculation, what I'll do? I'll put dollar symbol here. I'll put dollar symbol in front of D4 like this. Afterward, what if I calculate? Value will be like this. but every time with this value 85 will be calculated like this. If I am doing paste here, see now, every time 85 is copy with this, 85 is copy with this, 85 is copying with this. I'll show you the calculation. Equal to 85 multiplied by 75. See the result. Sorry, wait for a minute. Value should be fixed, so I need to write not only $D4, I have to write $D, $4. What will happen now? If I'll apply this formula, see now result. Dollar will be put at both sides. Now 85 is calculating with all values. Now see, 85 into 75, it is 6375. I am doing calculation 85 into 78 equal to 85 multiplied by 78. See the result now. 6630, 6630. This is the operation of referencing. How we can perform. And this type of reference is called a absolute referencing, where we are putting dollar sign, and where we are doing general calculation, it is known as relative referencing. Relative mean to say D2, D2, D3, D3, D4, D4, like in this column we have done. In this column, see now, here D4, D4, E4, D5, E5, D6, E6, it means it is automatically getting changed with the next value. But if we want to fix the value of one cell, in that case we are using dollar sign. With the dollar sign, we can use the relative referencing. Sorry, absolute referencing. Relative referencing is general, and absolute referencing will be used with the help of dollar sign. Mixed referencing is a combination of relative and absolute both. Next part is function. Excel contains a variety of built-in functions that we can use. And how to perform the function? Let's start now. AutoSum we have done now only. Recently used. List the 10 recently used functions you have used. Let's know about these functions group in detail. See now. Function is available in file option. In file, after file, in a option of formulas. Now see here. When we move to the formula bar, what will happen? It is showing the operation option inside function AutoSum recently used. What were used recently? It will show the list. Financial functions are there, logical functions are there, text functions are there, date and time function is also there, loop and referencing is also there, multiple type functions are there, mathematics functions are also there, or more functions. You can use cube, engineering, statistical. Each type of function is available in Excel sheet. Now we will discuss, it will be better to understand. Generally used functions, that is we are doing, that is sum function we have done now only, equal to sum and values. Second function we are doing here, product function or average function. How to calculate the average? See now, suppose I want to calculate the average of these 4 columns. How I'll do? I'll bring my cursor where I want to calculate. I write equal to, afterward I'll write average. Then I'll write the range. From where it is getting start? It is getting start with F4. I'm writing F4, then colon, till where we have to calculate average? Till F7. It will, what it will do? It will do the addition of 4 values and do it divide by 4. And the result will be 88.25. It is the average function. You can directly calculate the average for a group of values. Next is max function and minimum function. If I want to calculate the maximum value out of these 4, I'll write only equal to max. Then I'll write first value, that is F4. Then I'll put last value, that is F7. it will find out which value is the maximum in 4, and the answer is 98. Next is for minimum value. Same I'll do, equal to min, then I'll put the range F4 colon F7, and afterward I'll press enter. It will find the minimum value, that is 84. These are the functions which are available in Excel sheet that are generally used by the user. Now function, it is used to add current date and time into a spreadsheet. You can add current date and time into a spreadsheet. Now we will discuss about now function. Now function will add current date and time. I am writing here equal to now, and after pressing enter, complete date and time is present, at which time I am making my presentation. It is now function. Next part is if function. If function is a conditional part. If I want to give any conditional, the if function can be quite useful in spreadsheet. It is used when you want to test for more than one values. For example, has a bill been paid or not paid? If it has, you can deduct the amount from the money you left to spend. If it has not paid, then keep it in your debit list. So it is for your conditional statements. And it will be written like this: if logical test, value true or false. Like I am writing, I'll show you, will be more understand. Suppose I am calculating this value. If value is greater than 85, then true, otherwise false. I am writing here equal to if D4 greater than 85, then colon, I am writing accepted. This is first value if it is true, and second, then again comma, then I am writing if it is not greater than 85, rejected. Now if I'll press enter, see now, because it is not greater than 85, it is 85. Now I can copy the same formula. Just bring your cursor on right corner and press double click on that part. See now, all values are calculated automatically. It is the condition if then condition, then for true value what you are writing, and for false value what you are writing. It is your if conditional part. Next is what insert colon and row due to the function. Average we have done. Average part you know very well, and rest part of chapter 12 we will do in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please listen this video very carefully. You will be very understand about chapter 12. If you are having any problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. It's 999 111 8890. Thank you. Have a nice day.